Let's study week 15 of mechanic diesel. This week we are going to study electrochemical energy, electromagnetic induction relays, solenoids, primary and secondary winding, transformers, stators and rotor coils. Electrochemical energy. Electrochemical energy is normally called the conversion of chemical energy into electrical energy or vice versa. This includes reactions, transferring electrons, redox reactions, reducing oxidation. Electromagnetic induction. What are Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction? Faraday's first law states that whenever the magnetic flux is linked with the circuit changes, an EMF is always induced in. The second law states that the magnitude of the induced EMF is equal to the rate of change of flux linkage. Relay. A relay is a device which opens or closes an auxiliary circuit under predetermined conditions in the main circuit. Relays are extensively used in electronics, electrical engineering, and many other fields. Relay are also classified according to their main operating forces as stated under electromagnetic relay, current sensing relay, voltage sensing relay. Solenoid. A solenoid is a coil wound into the tight packed to a long thin loop of wire, often wrapped around a magnetic core which produce a uniform magnetic field in a volume of space. Primary and secondary winding. It is used to step up low voltage to high voltage to generate sparks. It consists of two windings, one wound over soft iron core. The secondary winding is wound over the core. It consists of about 21,000 turns. One end of the winding is connected to the secondary terminal and the other end to the primary winding. The primary winding is wound over the secondary winding and consists of about 200 300 turns. The ends are connected to the external terminals of the coil. The bakelite cap insulates the secondary terminal from the containers and primary terminals. Transformer. A transformer is an electrical device that transforms the AC voltage between two circuits through an electromagnetic induction. Types of transformer: step up transformer, step down transformer. Rotor. Rotor is the moving part of rotary electric motor. Electric generator alternate which rotates because of the wire and magnetic field of the motor are arranged so that them to develop about the rotor axis. Thanks for learning with us.